In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox fills up fast, knowing how to pinpoint the right message quickly can save you time and stress. We'll walk through a simple, reliable approach so you can find exactly what you need without digging through long lists of messages. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. You'll see your folders on the left, your message list in the center, and a reading pane on the right, depending on your layout. Next, go to the folder you want to search. This could be your inbox, sent items, or any custom folder you use to organize projects. Choosing the correct folder matters because Outlook focuses the search on the place you're currently viewing. Starting in the right folder keeps results relevant and cuts down on clutter. Now, click in the search box at the top of the window, above your messages. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on a Mac. That moves your cursor straight into the search box without using the mouse, which is handy if you search often. Begin typing what you remember about the email. You can enter a keyword from the body of the message, the sender's name, or a word from the subject line. Keep it clear and specific. Try a distinctive term, the last name of the sender, or a unique phrase from the subject. If you're not certain about spelling, use the part you're confident about. You can also add another short word to refine the results if the list is too broad. As you type, Outlook instantly filters the email list. You'll see matching messages rise to the top in real time. Scan the subject